Hi, my name is Kristen. I work here at Tufts Health Plan, and this is the Medicare Minute. In September, Tufts Medicare Preferred HMO members receive an ANOC letter that shows what's changing for the upcoming year. You can use the ANOC letter to identify any changes in costs for the upcoming year. In this video, we'll go over some of the important things to look at in your ANOC letter. On the first page of your ANOC, you'll see the name of your plan at the top of the page. In the beginning of the ANOC is a summary of important costs. This section gives you a quick look at the changes for the upcoming year. Section 1 is the most important part of the ANOC letter. This section will show you what costs will change for the upcoming year, including changes to the monthly premium you pay each month, changes to the maximum out-of-pocket amount. This is the amount you would pay in medical costs for your plan in 1 year. Most members don't reach the out-of-pocket limit, but it's good to know that even if you have a lot of unexpected medical costs during the year, you wouldn't have to pay more than the out-of-pocket maximum. Changes to the benefits and costs for medical services. If your plan includes prescription drug coverage, you'll also find a list of changes to prescription drug costs. The ANOC letter also includes information on how to get in touch with us if you have any questions, and information about what to do if you need to change your plan. Medicare requires all Medicare Advantage plans to send the ANOC letter to members in September. That way you can see what benefits are changing before the annual election period, which begins in October. The annual election period is when you can change plans if you need to. We offer a range of HMO plans, so if the changes in the ANOC impact you, give us a call and we can make sure you're in the right plan for you. You either receive your ANOC through the mail or online through eDelivery. eDelivery is a great way to get your ANOC. It will always be available in your online account and you can view it whenever you want. For more information about eDelivery or to sign up, just go to our website. If you have any questions about your ANOC letter, you can always give us a call. We're happy to go over any of the changes. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this edition of the Medicare Minute.